Welcome to Tai Chi Flow for strength. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, draw the hands in towards the heart, and then send them down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Really grounding the energy, feeling rooted and stable, yet also flowing like the rivers and the ocean. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. Opening the door. Nice and slow. One more time, breathing in. Breathing out. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the fingertips point up, coming up the center line of the body. All the way overhead, the arms spiral out and away. The upward spirals. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming up and over, the fingertips point down, coming down the center, the hands spiral out and away, the downward spirals. Softening down towards the earth. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the downward spirals. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. The arms open wide. This hand here drops down and drifts over to the other side. The hands switch positions. They float across like clouds in the sky. Wave hands like clouds. Softening the shoulders, the neck. Soften the face and the eyes. Soften the jaw, using only what you need. One more time, drift across, and then this time the top hand makes a hook. The bottom hand comes up. The bottom hand floats across the horizon, palm turns out. Circle it around again, we call this single whip. The hand floats across, palm turns out, and you can keep going just like that, or this time you can step in as the hand comes up, and then step out as the hand floats across. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds. Take your time, stepping in, drifting across, letting go, breathing. This time the top hand makes a hook, bottom hand comes up, bottom hand floats across, palm turns out. Circle it around again, single whip. And if you like this time, you can step in as the hand comes up and then step out as it floats across. One more time, single whip. And then release the hook, the hand drifts over, wave hands like clouds, take your time stepping in, drifting across. And we'll drift across a few more times like a moving meditation. So we learn to move like nature with effortless ease. Really tuning into the body, feeling the sensations. One more time, wave hands like clouds. And then both hands drop down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. And then step out to the side, and as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. And then circle it around again, ward off. Expanding and lifting. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, ward off. And then from here, the bottom hand here scoops under, the fingertips slide down. Circle it around again, rolling back. Shifting the weight, going with the flow. One more time, roll back. This time we'll toss it away. The arms float out to the side, and the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, we call this the press. And then from here, the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then from here, sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon, like you're wiping the slate clean. And take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other side. Bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. And then circle it around again. Ward off. Really tuning into the sensations we normally tune out. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, ward off. And then from here, the bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, roll back. Can we receive as gracefully as we give? One more time, roll back, and then toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. Fold it in, press forward. One more time, nice and soft, the press. And then the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back, hug the tree, bring it to center. Take your time. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down, stepping one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot, and the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird. We call the crane. And you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up, touching down as needed. And then the arms can float up and over just as much as you can, and then stepping down. Other side, the crane, just the arms at first, breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed, and then the arms can float up and over. And then stepping down, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other in front of the waist. And then switching sides, the tiger hugs its head. You can gently turn if you like. This time you can lift your leg, touching down as needed. Other side. Touching down or lifting up, meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. And then both arms reach up to the sky, circle all the way down, and then in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front, gather in the energy, bring it into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion, and down. One more time, open the heart. Rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this video is part of our free 7-day beginner Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll see you in the next video.